Hello, students. Today I am going to teach you chapter 2 from the book Moments. The Adventures of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. Student, I think you remember the chapters The Banyan Tree and A Short Monsoon Diary that you have read in your previous class. Now, about the author. Ruskin Bond was born on Kasauli, which is in Himachal Pradesh, in 1934. He grew up in Jamnagar, Dehradun, New Delhi, and Simla. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, which was written when he was 17. Since then, he has written over 500 short stories, essays, and novels, and more than 40 books for children. He lives in Lansdowne, Missouri, with his extended family. This chapter, Adventures of Toto, has been taken from his ever popular stories, Grandfather's Private Zoo, written over 25 years ago and a firm favorite with two generations of children. Now, children, have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile, whether he is very naughty or can be manageable. The narrator's grandfather loved animals. He had his own private zoo. He bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver and named it as Toto. He wanted Toto to add to his collection for the zoo. The narrator's grandmother did not like his pets, so Toto's presence was kept a secret. Toto was a mischievous monkey. He was kept in a little closet which opened into the narrator's room. Toto tore off author's school blazer into rags. He peeled off the plaster too. Toto was kept with other animals. There, he did not allow them to live peacefully. Once the grandfather had to collect his pension from Saharanpur. He took Toto with him because he can be managed only by grandfather. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, that is a mechanical gate, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag, gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Now the ticket collector classifies Toto as a dog, and grandfather had to pay extra fare for Toto. Toto was ultimately accepted by the family. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His teeth were pearly white. His hands always looked dried up. His fingers were quick and wicked. He had a long tail, which he used as his third hand. His long tail added to his beauty. He was just like a naughty child. He was always looking for pranks. He enjoyed upsetting everything. Once, Toto nearly boiled himself alive. He used to take bath in warm water. One day, a large kitchen kettle had been left on fire to boil water for tea. Toto entered the kettle. Soon the water began to boil. Toto raised himself. It was cold outside. He sat down again. He continued hopping up and down till grandmother came to rescue him. Once he was put into a stable with Nana, the family donkey. Toto teased Nana. As a result, Toto and Nana never became friends. Toto did not give up his mischiefs. He tore things into pieces. He tore up the dresses of the aunt. He broke plates and utensils. One day, he entered the dining room and ran out with a plate of pulao. He often frightened people by either grinning or by throwing things at them. After finishing the pulao, he threw the plate at the grandmother. Toto caused much loss to the family. They could not tolerate him anymore. In frustration, grandfather sold Toto back to the Tonga driver and heaved a sigh of relief. So we can say Toto was really a mischievous as well as an adventurous monkey. Thank you.